Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Don't use your chopsticks to pierce pieces of food to eat. This is an extremely rude gesture, and you might as well use a fork if you are doing this. Don't pass food to another person chopstick to chopstick. This is also symbolic of a funeral ritual.
Take our lead.
2. When you are eating food with chopsticks, especially with rice, do not stick your chopsticks into your food or rice. This is seen as a curse in Chinese culture. This is taboo and said to bring bad luck because it reminds people of the incense used at a funeral.
Take our lead.
Obama spent some years while growing up. Touching certain things with your left hand is still considered quite rude. Nowadays, left-handed children are no longer routinely disciplined to use chopsticks in their right hands, but the idea that it's somehow rude or magurushi to do so still persists to an extent.
Take our lead.
Because, once packaging is torn away, many diners proceed to rub their warabashi together. When patrons automatically rub chopsticks together, it indicates that they think the warabashi are cheap. Rubbing chopsticks together can, therefore, be insulting to a restaurant.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.